Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Future Way Next to Canada. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about a breaking news. Important changes in new Express Entry Proof of Funds requirement. IRCC update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on Future Way Next. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments. We hope you're doing great. In this video we're going to talk about new Express Entry Proof of Funds requirement 2024. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada has updated the Proof of Funds requirements for the 2024 Express Entry system effective from May 28, 2024. These changes affect candidates applying through the Federal Skilled Worker Program or the Federal Skilled Trades Program within Express Entry. If you are interested in this topic, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. If you any query, please contact us on Instagram and email. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, has updated the Express Entry Proof of Funds table with new requirements for 2024. IRCC updates these numbers every year based on 50% of the low-income cutoff totals. Express Entry candidates in the pool need to update their profile with settlement funds. Based on the new requirements prior to May 27, 2024, the new requirements will come into effect on May 28. As per IRCC, if there is a tiebreaker, you will retain your rank, as updating your profile does not alter the date and time that we received it. Who needs to demonstrate Express Entry Proof of Funds? The minimum amount required to settle in Canada is the applicant's Express Entry Proof of Funds. Proof of Funds is required for the Federal Skilled Worker Program and the Federal Skilled Trades Program. However, if the applicant has a valid job offer and work permit for Canada, they do not need to provide proof of funds for FSWP and FSTP. Furthermore, the Express Entry Canadian Experienced Class candidates do not require proof of funds. If you any query, please contact us on Instagram and email. Currently, the system requires every application to submit documentation proving their funds, a letter stating that you have a legitimate employment offer or that you have been asked to apply under the Canadian Experienced Class. Must be uploaded. If evidence of money is not required, computing settlement funds. The proof of the Express Entry settlement money depends on the number of members in the applicant's family. While calculating the settlement funds, one must include themselves, the applicant, the spouse or common law partner of the applicant, both the dependent children of the applicant if applicable, and the spouse's dependent children. If applicable, you must compute the settlement money with your spouse or dependent children, even if the spouse or any dependent children are not accompanying the applicant to Canada. 2024 new Express Entry Funds requirement. Acceptable proof of funds for Express Entry. Acceptable proof of funds according to the IRCC website must be in the form of official letters from banks or financial institutions. Letters must list all current bank and investment accounts, existing debts including loans and credit card debts. This letter must also be printed on the financial institution's letterhead. Furthermore, it should also include the following details: 1. The bank or institution's contact information, address, telephone number and email address. 2. Your name. 3. Your outstanding debts such as credit card debts and loans. 4. These details for each current bank and investment account you have with them. 5. Account numbers. 6. Date each account was opened. 7. Current account balances. 8. Average balance for the past 6 months. What is the new 2024 Express Entry Proof of Funds requirement? The applicant's family size, including the applicant, determines how much of the Express Entry settlement funds are needed. We have broken down the new necessary funds requirement effective May 28 according to family size below: $4,690, $1,288, $2,483, $2,729, $3,690, $3,490 and $8,885. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and email. An additional family member costs $3,958. Does your Expressentry profile need proof of funds? Proof of funding is required for the Expressentry Federal Skilled Worker Program or the Federal Skilled Trades Program, but not for the Canadian Experience class. If an applicant has work authorization in Canada and a valid employment offer, they do not have to present proof of funds, even for FSWP or FSDP. Ensuring compliance with these updated requirements is essential for a successful Expressentry application. Stay informed, update your profile accordingly, and seek assistance if needed to navigate this process effectively. Good luck with your immigration journey. 2. Canada. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on future Way Next. That's it for today. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.